Alright, and here I'm going to show you how easy it is to make an MDF track for your circular saw out of some scrap. First thing is I pull the blade guard up, and then I measure around, which I believe it was about 4.5 inches. Then I run a line all the way down, and then I doubled it for my full base piece, rip that down, and then I rip another 4.5 inch strip. All I do to put it together is a little bit of Titebond, which is actually Titebond 3 in there, and then some brad nails. Then if you see here, when I go to tack in the other side, I move it ever so slightly, and so to fix that, I use my machine edge to line up the back too, so that way I still have a straight, completely straight edge on the back side. And I just use a square to line it up, a couple clamps, and you got yourself a little MDF track saw.